100,000 subscribers. I want to thank you guys for giving me the opportunity to be creative and make content and do this for a living. With that being said, we're going to bring you more Bey Blade competitions, more construction humor, more satire, more Dumb and Dumber moments. But not only that, we're going to bring you guys a whole nother channel. We're going to be doing bullet penetration testing. And if I got one opportunity for you to go over there and hit the subscribe button on that channel, it's this. 3, 2...